What's the meaning of bisque? Bisque. Bisque.
Bisque. Bisque. Bisque is a term used to describe a type of soup that is typically made from seafood or shellfish stock, cream, and butter. The name comes from the French word for shellfish, bisque, as the soup is traditionally made with lobster or shrimp. Bisque is known for its rich, creamy texture and is often served as an appetizer or light main course.